In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove header and footer in WPS Office Mobile. If you are editing a document on your phone and want a cleaner, more professional look, removing the header and footer can make a big difference. This tutorial will guide you through the process in a smooth and easy way so you can make quick edits without confusion. When working on documents using the mobile version of WPS Office, headers and footers are often added automatically by templates or previous edits. While these areas can be useful, there are times when you no longer need them and want the document to look simple and distraction-free. The good news is that removing them on mobile is straightforward once you know where to look. To begin, open your document in the WPS Office app and make sure it is fully loaded. Once the document is open, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You will see an icon that opens additional tools and options. Tap this icon to reveal the editing menu. From the menu that appears, locate the Insert tab and tap on it. This section contains features related to adding and editing elements inside your document. Within the Insert tab, look for the option labeled Header and Footer and tap on it to enter editing mode. When this mode is active, the header and footer areas of the document become editable just like normal text. Start by focusing on the header area at the top of the page. Tap directly on the header text to select it. Once the text is selected, delete it the same way you would remove any regular text in the document. This action clears the header content from the page. Next, scroll down slightly to access the footer area at the bottom of the page. Tap on the footer text to select it, then delete it as well. Just like with the header, removing the footer text works the same way as editing standard content, making the process simple and familiar. After deleting both the header and footer text, tap anywhere in the main body of the document to exit header and footer editing mode. Your document will return to normal view and the header and footer will no longer appear. Take a moment to scroll through the document to confirm that the header and footer have been removed properly. This ensures the changes apply consistently and your document looks exactly the way you want it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.